We're starting to see prices level off a little bit. We're not seeing the astronomical growth that we saw year over year here in the Portland market. And indeed, we've actually dropped out of the #1 market in the country, but still very, very strong. Price growth is in more of the 6% range over the last few years. We've seen the buyers, it feels like they're taking a little bit of a break. So I think part of that is just because of frustration in getting outbid in multiple offer situations in so many instances. So one thing that I've noticed over the past several months are a lot of emails coming across my desk with price reductions. You know, it's one of the way I track what's going on in the market is what other brokers are sending out. And that has, you can call it a price improvement, you can call it whatever you want, but they're price reductions. And that just tells us that given this market where we still have a pretty strong seller's market in most price points and in most parts of town, the Portland Metro, that sellers and maybe some of the realtors have gotten a little bit ahead of themselves and priced a little bit too aggressively. And the buyers are onto it. So we're finding that the homes that are priced either kind of dead on the market or just a little bit under are still selling very, very quickly. 10, 12, 15 days sometimes is a long time on the market. And in a buyer's view, if they see a sign in front of a house for 25 or 30 days, they think the house has been on the market forever. So at any rate, I think the buyers took a little bit of a break. We still have quite a few buyers for, quite frankly, every single home in the city of Portland as long as it's priced appropriately. So if you're thinking about selling, it is a fantastic time to do that. And in the past, I've done it, probably 40% of my business has been done during the fourth quarter, with very few exceptions. So don't be reluctant to put your house on the market. And if you're a buyer, you have a little less competition out there right now, and you know, we can get a deal put together for you. So don't be discouraged.